and change the environment. I cannot be with opposition. They neither have the means, capacity to transform or build a road or build a hospital. So when I came back into the country, I said, where do I put my voice? Do I put my voice in opposition or do I put my voice in transformation? I made a conscious decision. I know it was expensive, but right here on your station, I'll say it once and for all. I've been trying to get in touch with the leader of CCC, Chamisa himself, for 5 years. He can go back into his Facebook page. He can go back into his WhatsApp numbers. I've sent multitudes messages to him, trying to reach out to him. He was not interested in talking to me. When I called the office of the president, within 3 days, he gave me an audience to talk to him. What do you want to do, Mr. Maponga, that you're coming to the country? I said, this is my idea. This is my plan. He says, please, you're free. Continue doing what you want to do. You know the political space we are in for safety and security. I'm not a stupid man who can walk up into the country and I put my life at risk simply because I want to be identified with CCC or MDC who don't respect me. I'm not here to support a political party. I support Zimbabwe as a country. What is it that is good for the country? Not what is it that is good for Chamisa? Or what is it that is good for a political party? Because politics comes and goes, but the country remains in place. My vote is with those that are willing and prepared to transform and make the lives of the citizens better. So build a road, I will support you. Build a clinic, I will support you. Build a school, I will support you. And whether it is Chamisa doing it or Honorable Mnangagwa doing it, I am not worried. What my interests are with is with the common community. And of course, before I close on this point, when I started hearing Chamisa talking about the evil and the demonic space of our ancestors, I lost all respect in him. Because the fact that you have become a Christian and you are a pastor of a church, you don't need to insult Africans in their indigenous knowledge systems. It's unprecedented that a whole political leader can stand up on social media and say that our ancestors are demons. Then even his father is a demon, for crying out loud. I don't need to mix my words. If he does not know his country, does not know the history of his country, does not know the legacy of his country, does not know what Zimbabwe means, does not know what Nehanda means, does not know what Chimurenga means, I don't think he even deserves to step into the office of the president of his country. Because how do you lead a country where you don't even know the background and the history of the country where we are coming from?
All right.